Hello friends, wanted to just let you join in on my unboxing. I purchased four, I think they're 3.5 gallon pink lemonade blueberries from Home Depot, delivered straight to your door. So you all need to check it out. I had a $25 off coupon too, so I used that and bought some more gardening materials. It came it has all this Department of Agriculture stuff on it. Live plants just arrived a couple of hours ago. And here's the inside. It has blooms on it. See how big it is. I am excited to try these pink lemonade blueberries. Lead Farmer raves about them. So I am very excited to try. Excuse my camera action, please. Bear with me because my cameraman's in school right now. But I wanted y'all to see and to share with y'all. Oh shoot, I break again. Hold up, let me prop you. I grab this, can't do it with one hand. Okay, here we go. Sorry about that. Here we go. So I have a pink lemonade blueberry. And it came in this big old pot for this little old plant, I tell you. I don't know, Home Depot. I might have to revisit this for $25. It's not much there. So I'm going to see. I'm going to check the other four out, and I'll also post a picture of the final, what it looks like. All four of them. I'll get them in a row and post a picture of that. But Home Depot, $24.99 for these pink lemonade blueberries. They do have blooms on them, but they're kind of small there. So, but we'll watch them together and see what they do, and hope they survive and produce many, many blueberries. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe to see the journey of growing these pink lemonade blueberries. And thank you again, my friends. Have a great day. Bye-bye.